Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to create arrows in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started the video. To start, we need to create a line that will become the shaft of our arrow. Select the line tool from the toolbar. Click and drag to draw a line in your document. Hold the Shift key while drawing the line. Then go to the stroke panel. If you don't see the stroke panel, you can open it by going to Window, then clicking on a stroke. In the stroke panel, you will find options to add arrowheads to your line. To add an arrowhead, look for the Start and End arrowhead options in the stroke panel. Click on the drop-down menu next to End arrowhead and choose your desired arrowhead style. You can also add an arrowhead to the start of the line by selecting a style from the Start Arrowhead drop-down menu. You can adjust the thickness of your arrow by changing the weight value in the stroke panel. Increase or decrease the weight until you are happy with the appearance of your arrow. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.